What's up guys, welcome to AStar Insight, the place where you get an insight into how to win on YouTube. And in today's video, I'm going to be giving you guys a reality check. Yes, I'm sorry, yeah, but this is the kick up the backside some of you need in order to, start making that real push on YouTube. Because let's face it, maybe that thing in the back of their head that's always told them, start YouTube, is starting to get a bit louder. It's starting to get, you know the sound I'm talking about. If you're watching this video, I'm talking directly to you, okay? So, let's get into the video. Since I started this channel, and since I started posting tutorial videos on my main channel, I've got a lot of questions about YouTube. Not only that, but since I started my main channel regardless, a lot of friends and people have asked me, how did you grow on YouTube? Like, how do you get views on videos, etc, etc. Now, the truth of the matter is, there's a lot of answers. Yeah, things like optimizing your channel, optimizing your videos, making sure your videos are ranking high, all that type of stuff, thumbnails, all that type of stuff is great, and you can get videos. Those videos are on my channel, this channel, so you can go check them out there. But the number one answer I give you, if you want one answer, the main answer, the best method, yeah, is to upload videos. Now, normally when I tell people that, they look at me funny. Yeah, they look at me sideways. They're literally like, okay, thanks for nothing. You're asking for my advice, yeah, and I'm telling you the truth. That is the answer. Now, if a lot of you don't know my main channel, then you're probably going to be looking at this video thinking he doesn't have that many subscribers, his videos don't get that many views, he doesn't know what he's talking about. I do, I definitely do, yeah, but I can prove it. I'm not going to show you my main channel just yet. You don't need to worry about that. Just listen to what I have to say, okay? Now, if you go to do this right now, yeah, in fact, you can pause the video and come back to it after I prove my point. But do this right now. Find your favorite YouTuber, type them in to YouTube, and then tell me how many videos they've uploaded. In fact, forget that, we'll do it together. Yeah, we'll do it together. So let's do it. Let's go to YouTube and we'll start with, I don't know, let's say the person with the most subscribers on YouTube. Let's start with PewDiePie, yeah? So PewDiePie has 104 million subscribers. By the way, that's crazy. Like if that's your goal, then respect to you. But that's kind of like an anomaly, okay? But the point still remains. How many videos has he posted? Over 4,000 videos. That's more than most people on YouTube. He's posted over 4,000 videos onto YouTube. Understand what I'm saying, guys, okay? The proof is in the pudding. You have to work hard. You have to upload. Even the person with the most subscribers is showing his work rate. 4,000 videos. Do you know how, that's crazy. Do you know how many days straight you'd have to upload in a row to get that many? I know the answer is obviously 4,000, but I'm saying start to cut that into years, right? How many years is that? Quick maths, comment down below if you know how many years that is of daily uploads. There's 365 days in a year. Do the maths. That's a grind. Are you ready to grind? Let's move on. Let's look at let's see, the Ace family, okay? The biggest family channel on YouTube. They've uploaded over 500 videos. Now bear in mind, guys, that a lot of the videos, some videos they might look back on and think, okay, those videos might have been a bit cringe, or that doesn't kind of reflect what we're doing now. So a lot of videos that might have been deleted, right? Or hidden or whatever by all of these YouTubers I'm about to show you. But the point still remains. Over 500 videos. And over 18 million, oh my, wow. Over 80 million subscribers, okay? Now, obviously they're number one in their niche, so again, it's a bit of an anomaly. They're gonna be growing at a faster rate than most family channels because, like I said, they're number one, right? They're kind of like the landmark, the kind of like what everyone's aiming towards if you're a family channel, right? But the point still remains, they're putting in the work. Let's move on. Let's look at a female YouTuber, SS Sniper Wolf. Nearly 20 million subscribers And look at that, over 2,000 videos. Yeah, over 2,000 videos. So another example. Let's go on to, I don't know, for the gamers out there, if you want to start a gaming channel. Let's look at Ninja. Over 1,000 videos. Now bear in mind, Ninja, for me, and I don't know about you personally, but for me, he only really came onto the scene once Fortnite was released. Okay, so that means he must have been putting in the work beforehand, I don't know, but it only takes one video to blow up. Anyways, I'll explain that in a second, yeah? Let's just continue what I'm saying. Let's move on to KSI for anyone that's in England and that wants to look up to a British YouTuber. Nearly 1,000 videos for KSI. And he's got 2 channels. He's got this one and his other one. I don't know where his other channel is. And there's okay, so here's his first channel. Over 20 million subscribers, over 1,000 videos. His second channel, 9 million subscribers, nearly 1,000 videos. So nearly 1,000 videos on both. And the results are there. You know what I mean? Now, of course, I'm showing you probably the biggest people in their region, in their niche. But like I said, go on YouTube and find examples yourself. Let me know in the comments down below who you searched for and how many videos they had, and you'll see exactly what I'm talking about. In fact, if you're not convinced enough and you think I'm only going for the top dogs, let's go to my channel. Okay, let's go to AStar for Bants, right? As you can see there, over 280,000 subscribers, yeah, and over 600 videos. Let's just get into it. Let's just be honest with each other, okay? A lot of you have said to me on my Instagram DMs, or have said to me in my comments of my videos for this AStar for Bants channel, I've been uploading videos, but I don't know why I'm not growing. I don't know what's going wrong. Please check out my channel. And of course I do it, because if you follow me on Instagram and you message me, I'll read, I'll reply, and I'll take time to kind of help you out. That's what I'm trying to do. I'm trying to help you guys out, right? So feel free to do that, by the way. But anyways, I did that. I checked. I looked at the channel. I saw 20 videos, 30 videos, even 50 videos, and maybe like a few hundred subscribers, maybe 1,000 subscribers, maybe 5,000 subscribers. They're not happy with it, and I kind of look at it and I chuckle a bit, not because of not because their number of subscribers, but because they feel like they should be entitled to being successful because they tried. It doesn't work like that. It doesn't work like that, okay? It really doesn't. Like I said, it only takes one video to blow up, and you could be that lucky one that gets the one video to blow up, but guess what happens then? Let's just set the scene and go into it, okay? Forget I do YouTube. Let's say I'm a random person, never, made a channel, never made a video, and I'm on YouTube trying to find something new, trying to find someone to subscribe to, right? Or trying to find something to, make me laugh, maybe I'm searching top 10 dinosaurs to ever live, I don't know, something crazy, yeah? And I find your video, and this video has blown up. It's semi-viral at this point. Maybe it's on a few hundred, and it's only been out for a week. A few 100,000, by the way, or maybe it's touching the millions, I don't know. But let's say you've only got like not that many subscribers, but this video is going up, right? I'm gonna watch the video and I'm gonna enjoy it because clearly everyone else is enjoying it, right? And the next thing, I'm not gonna subscribe yet though. You can tell me to subscribe in that video, I don't care. I'm not gonna subscribe just yet. I'm gonna go to your channel. I'm gonna see, okay, let's see what else they've got. Because if I'm subscribing, that means I'm not gonna subscribe based on that video. That means that I trust that your next video is gonna be a banger as well. So I'm gonna subscribe based on the value that I feel you're gonna bring to my life, okay? So I'm gonna go to your channel, and then I'm gonna look at other videos. If I see that you've only got 3 other videos, or you've only posted 2 videos since that video, I'm just gonna think this person isn't serious. What, they post once a month? They got lucky. Like, I'm not gonna subscribe. I might not even watch the videos after that. In fact, I might watch them, and because you didn't, I haven't seen the work ethic go into the next one, or it's not as good or something, I might not subscribe. I'm gonna give you a chance, so I might watch a 3rd or 4th or a 5th. I might watch all your videos. But my point is, I'm not seeing the catalog. It's kind of like music. If you listen to a singer once, right? You listen to a song, you know, you're a new artist, and you're gonna think, oh, this song is, I like their voice, I like their rapping skills, whatever. You might then search them on Spotify, you might search them on YouTube and try and find more songs. If they've got one or two other songs and they sound like, you know, like a SoundCloud rap or something, you're not gonna invest, you're gonna be like, okay, I found this, you're gonna like the song and that's it. You're not gonna invest in the artist, you're not gonna think I like the artist, you're just gonna like the song. Do you get the analogy here? So my point is, yeah, if you're starting YouTube, or if you have been on YouTube and you've made if you've been on for YouTube for a year or two and you haven't got the videos to show for it, then that's why. Post videos. That's why that's my number one tip. Post videos, upload videos. They might not be your best work. You might get better. You might not have the facilities or the equipment to make the video that's in your head. That's okay. Just great stuff though. Just turn on the camera and talk. It might be the personality that they like. They might like your editing skills. They might like what you have to talk about. They might like your content generally, and that will bring subscribers, but they've got to see stuff. They've got to see the proof. So keep uploading, because there's so many examples of channels out there that I've seen, and I scrolled to their first few videos, and their first few videos might have only 100 views here, 100 views there. They didn't care, because it was a hobby for them. They weren't trying to, you know, you got to be on YouTube because you just love making videos and you just want to share. You just want to share stuff, right? You want to share what's in your mind. You want to create and put it out there. That's the mindset you need to be in, because if you're in that mindset, you're not going to be looking at the numbers. Don't look at the numbers, guys. Don't look at the numbers. People always ask me, oh, so how's your channel going? How many subscribers do you have now? Guys, like, it's not really... Look, just post videos, post content, keep going. Don't look at the numbers. The numbers will find you. Yeah? The numbers will find you. You'll turn around one day and a video you posted a few months ago that hardly got any views is now blowing up all of a sudden. Literally, like, it just takes one video, but it might not be your latest. When you post on YouTube, by the way, if you post it today, that video might not get hardly any views for a whole year. But for some reason, YouTube might decide to start sharing it. It might just suddenly fit into the YouTube's algorithm, and it might start finding the target audience it was looking for. And that one video you posted a year ago that you didn't delete because you thought, oh, it hasn't got the numbers, I don't want it on my channel, it looks bad. You kept it there, even though it wasn't performing as good as your other videos, and all of a sudden it's your best performing video. It happens. I promise you it happens. Yeah? So, just upload. That's my number one tip. This is just one tip. I'm not going to give you a top 5 tips. This is just one tip. Upload videos. You've seen the proof. You've checked it for yourself, your favorite YouTubers. You've seen how many videos they've uploaded. Ask yourself, how many videos have you uploaded? In fact, yeah, upload 200 videos. Yeah, 200. This is my challenge to you guys. Upload 200 videos. Come back to me and tell me how many subscribers you have. Yeah? Remember this, how much you have now. Upload 200, tell me how much you have then. I guarantee you would have grown substantially. Okay, so that's just my advice, guys. Yeah, I hope it helps you guys, and I look forward to seeing the result of your hard work. That's what I'm gonna say. But that's my rant over. Thank you for watching. Hope you enjoyed it. Please leave a like, comment down below. Like I said, tell me how many videos your favorite YouTuber has uploaded, and we'll leave it there. Until next time.